In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the store currency in Ecwid. This is a straightforward process and will ensure that your store's pricing reflects the correct currency for your business needs. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Ecwid control panel. This is essentially the command center for your online store where all the magic happens. If you're logged into your Ecwid account, this is simply a click away. You can find the control panel by going directly to your Ecwid dashboard. You'll know you're on the right page if you see the overview of your store and its various management options. Next, when you're looking at the home of your control panel, direct your attention to the left-hand menu bar. You'll see a list of options, and from those, go ahead and click on Settings. The Settings menu is your go-to destination for making changes to how your store operates. It's like the back-end toolbox where you can tweak to your heart's content to make sure all settings align with your business goals. Now that you're in the settings section, you're going to look for regional settings. This might be named slightly differently depending on any updates, but as of now, it's titled Regional Settings. By clicking on this, you'll find all the options that affect how your store appears to different regions. Pretty handy, right? So go ahead and click on that to proceed. Within Regional Settings, locate the section titled Currency. This is where you set the financial tone for your store. It's important for both you and your customers to ensure that transactions appear in the right currency. So click on Currency to move ahead. Now in the Currency section, you may see a list of different currencies. Locate and select the option that reads US dollar or the currency you wish to change to. It might display various other currency symbols or names depending on what's currently active and available. Choose the one that's most appropriate for your business transactions and customer base. Finally, once you've selected your desired currency, it's super important to save your changes. You can do this by clicking on the Save button, which might be at the top or bottom of your screen, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+S. This step ensures that your changes take effect immediately, so don't skip it. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy guide to changing the store currency in Ecwid. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in the ease of transactions for your customers, making your store appear more professional and seamlessly integrated into your chosen market. If you have any further questions or run into issues, the Ecwid support team is always there to help. Thanks for watching.